Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Mac Mill's multiple income funnel, and maybe you landed on this website and you're wondering, is this legit? Should you be using this to make money online, or are there better ways out there? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, go ahead and click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out multiple income funnel to find out whether this is a good use of your time, or maybe there are better ways out there. Okay, now what is multiple income funnel? Now, multiple income funnel has been around for many years. It's basically an affiliate marketing system. It's a replicated affiliate marketing system that you can use to promote. You can join it, right? There's a community behind it, and you can sell some of their products that they're involved with, reuse the system, and when people buy and upgrade within the sales funnel, you make a commission. That's how it works, right? It's run by a gentleman called Mac Mills. He's a very successful, experienced affiliate marketer, and maybe you've seen this page right here. Okay, now it's changed over the years, but this is the most current version of it at the time of recording this video. Now it requires you to actually join their Facebook group. Okay, so if you click here, right, you may have seen this before. It says private Facebook group, easy way to make $500 plus per day, right? This is one of their entry points. Okay, and if you click to join the Facebook group, you're going to see this page right here. You're going to watch the presentation by Mac, right? And if you want to complete your order, you create your account, you complete your order, and this is basically $49 per month. Okay, to join the private Facebook group is $49 per month, and then you get access to the multiple income funnel. So let me run through the funnel and let me show you exactly what you're getting, and then you can decide whether this is something that you want to do or not. All right. So once you get access to the Facebook group, you're going to get access to the group. There's thousands of people in there because multiple income funnel has been around in the market for quite a long time, right? It's a pretty popular affiliate marketing system, and the funnel kind of looks like this. Okay, now once you get in to the funnel, there's step one. He's going to give you instructions on exactly how to set things up, and then step number two is basically where you're going to set up all of your multiple income streams. Now you have to understand how this works, right? So the first way that you're going to make money is when you join the Facebook group here. All right, you're paying $49 per month to access the system and the Facebook group. Okay, now every time you resell this, because that's how it works, this is a replicated system. So you basically resell exactly what you see here. You're going to be given these pages, so you get taught to promote this, right? And when somebody buys from you right here, it's $49 per month, but you make $20 per month commissions, which is not bad. It's pretty good actually, right? So you're just basically re-promoting a replicated system, right? So you make $20 per month on this, which is some nice residual income, and then people go through the same process as you, and they go into the multiple income funnel that looks like this, right? So the first major income stream used to be a company called Easy One Up, okay? But now they've changed that to a company called Power Lead System. Power Lead System is actually a very old affiliate marketing system. It's been around for a very long time, and basically what they do is they have technology that teaches you how to set up sales funnels, so you can build capture pages, you can build sales funnels. There's an email tracker, there's an email autoresponder in there, things like that, right? So it's all different tools for you to build your entire marketing system. So that's what they sell, right? Now in Power Lead System, these are the different levels. It's $30 a month to use their marketing system and all their tools, right? Then they've got basically three upsells. Okay, it's all about traffic. So the free ad secrets teaches you how to generate leads for free. It's $147. Then they've got Social Profit Academy, which teaches you Google ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads. That's $497. And then Master Traffic Institute is the last upsell, which costs $1,497. And that's basically a database of all of their top producers and all of their traffic secrets, teaching you how to generate more traffic using the Power Lead System. Okay, so that's what it is. So if you want to join and earn the second income stream, you have to upgrade as well. All right, you cannot earn if you don't upgrade, and that's the thing about this whole system here. It's basically what's called a pay-to-play system. If you don't upgrade into the income stream, then you're not going to earn money from it. That's how it works, okay? So that's income stream number one. I think income stream number one is a little bit weird, to be honest, Power Lead System, because Power Lead System is a marketing system, and multiple income funnel is also a marketing system. So it's kind of like you are using a marketing system to promote a marketing system, which is basically Power Lead System. So it's a little bit weird, okay? But the nice thing about Power Lead System though is that they have marketing training, which is pretty good, but you have to upgrade, all right? 147, 497 and 1497 in order for you to get those products. But when people also buy it, you also make commissions that way. Okay, that's kind of how it works, pay to play, right? So that's income stream number one, or I should say income stream number two, because income stream number one is people getting into your main system right here, multiple income funnel, where you make $20 per month, okay, if they stay inside. So income stream number three is a text AI bot, okay? It's basically called text.ai, right? It's a artificial intelligence chat bot that you can install on your websites, and people will chat with them, and it will help you to make a little bit of money. It's a so-so piece of software. It's not super great, right? It's $100, okay? So if you want to earn from that, you also need to buy it, and when people buy it from you, you also make a commission, okay? Now their third income stream is something called, or fourth income stream I should say, is something called Traffic Authority. All right, now Traffic Authority is a solo ad network where you can buy traffic from. It's basically email traffic database, all right? And it's also an MLM, okay? So you can make money from reselling their traffic, right? So that's kind of how it works. So when people come through your funnel, if they want to buy traffic, if they're like, oh, I don't know how to get traffic to my, to my multiple income sales funnel, they're going to say, okay, well, just go and buy traffic from Traffic Authority, right? So you come here and you buy traffic from Traffic Authority, and they've got all sorts of different packages. Their packages range from $220 all the way up to $8,397. Okay, so they have some big traffic packages. It costs roughly about $1 plus per click, which is actually expensive. All right, for solo ad traffic, it's expensive because you can go to other places and buy cheaper solo ad traffic for cheaper, 50 cents a click, 60 cents a click, 70 cents a click. They sell it for over $1 a click. So they're a premium solo ad traffic seller, right? And I've got a few problems about this, to be honest, because the problem with buying traffic from a place like Traffic Authority is you don't know where the traffic is coming from. You don't know the quality of the traffic. And most of the time, solo ad traffic, they resell it to lots of people. Imagine there are thousands of people coming to Traffic Authority buying the same traffic, and all of these email databases are being bombarded with different offers. And because of that, there's no guarantee that you will actually get high conversions, okay? So you might come to Traffic Authority, you might buy the $500 package, and you might sell multiple income funnel, and you might make less than $500, which means that you're not getting a positive ROI. And that's the biggest problem with doing solo ad traffic. So I don't recommend solo ad traffic. I don't recommend Traffic Authority. I think it's a really bad way to generate traffic, okay? So that's one of their income streams, income stream number 4. But if you're okay with that, you can also make a little bit of money selling traffic from Traffic Authority, which is not great because the quality of the traffic is not very good. So that's what you'll be selling, okay? And then step number 3 here is to set up your e-wallet, and then step number 4 is the back office tour, all right? So that's basically multiple income funnel in a nutshell. So let me kind of summarize it for you and give you the pros and cons for you to decide whether or not this is something that you may or may not want to do, okay? So the whole thing is basically you're going to replicate this funnel. So what you see right here, you're going to get a copy, your own version of this as well. It's exactly the same, by the way. So everyone looks the same. And that's also a little bit of a problem with reselling a replicated system, is that everyone is selling the same thing. It looks the same. So if you don't learn how to market it properly, and unfortunately they don't teach you how to brand yourself, then it's going to be very difficult because then everybody looks the same, okay? But what you're getting is this sales funnel. It comes through here. If you buy, you have to pay $49 a month, and if you can resell this for a $20 per month commission, and then you come into the setup process where you have to basically set up your multiple income funnel. And if you don't upgrade into Power Lead System, into Text AI bot, and into Traffic Authority, then you can't make money on those programs as well. Please understand that, okay? Now, it's up to you. It's optional. You don't have to join Power Lead System. You don't have to join Text AI bot, and you don't have to join Traffic Authority, all right? But if you don't join them, then you can't make commissions on them. You can only make commissions on the front end here of the actual multiple income funnel system, if that makes sense, okay? You can also join one and not the other. So you could join Power Lead System and not join Text AI bot and join Traffic Authority, right? So you can do in any combination, but understand that you can only make money from other people if they come through this setup and they actually upgrade through the income stream, but you must own the income stream too, Okay, you have to pay to play. The other thing that I would say about this system is that because the major traffic source here is Traffic Authority, this is a really, really bad way to get traffic. All right, so it's low quality traffic. It's very expensive. It's overpriced, and a lot of people will be buying this traffic source, and you're not guaranteed to make profit this way because you don't know the quality of the traffic. And remember, it's being bombarded, so the lists are not very responsive as well. Okay, so you have to be careful about that. Now, yes, you can earn money or learn to drive traffic through Power Lead system. This is easy one up, but now it's Power Lead system, but you have to upgrade. Okay, Free Ad Secrets $147, Social Profit Academy $497, and Master Traffic Institute $1497. So if you want to learn real traffic strategies, which is what I recommend, you're going to have to invest some extra money. All right, I wouldn't use Traffic Authority, it's crap. I would go with Power Lead system. They've got some good training there, but you have to upgrade in order to get it. So that's kind of what you're looking at here. All right, so I would say that if you really want to make money with multiple income funnel, you have to come through the system, and you do need to upgrade into some of the income streams. And if you want to learn real traffic strategies, then you have to buy some of the extra training from Power Lead system. I would not rely on buying traffic from Traffic Authority because solo ad traffic is low quality and you're not guaranteed to make money through your sales funnel, or I would say positive ROI, which is really the only metric you should be looking at, because just because you make sales doesn't mean that you're making profit. Okay, because if you're spending $5,000 on traffic here, but you're only making $3,000, then you just lost $2,000. Does that make sense, right? So that's why buying traffic sometimes is a very, very, I would say, dangerous thing to do. I've spent over $40,000 on solo ad traffic like Traffic Authority, and it's just not a good way to make money online. Okay, so I would say that there are pros and cons with this system. The pros are that it's a done for you system, and it does work. Okay, if you learn to generate some good quality traffic through the Power Lead system courses, traffic courses, which you have to upgrade to, right? Then you can potentially make some decent money with this. If you're an advanced marketer, experienced, and you know how to brand yourself in front of a marketing system like this, you can potentially make a lot of money. But if you're a beginner and you use the system as is, you use it exactly the way it is, you don't brand yourself, you just send traffic straight to this kind of page right here, then you're probably not going to do very well. And unfortunately, they don't teach you how to brand yourself. They only teach you how to just market the system directly, which is not great, okay? So it really depends on who you are. If you're an experienced marketer, you could potentially make a lot of money from this. If you're a beginner, I think it's a lot more difficult, right? A lot of people are using the system. Everybody looks the same. They teach some really crappy traffic strategies like Traffic Authority. And Power Lead system, the training is good, but you have to upgrade. So it's how you use the system and who you are. That's kind of how I think. So potentially, you can make a lot of money with this if you're experienced. If you're a beginner, I think you're going to be a little bit more confused. You do have to spend a little bit more money because this is a full-on pay-to-play program, right? That means that if you don't upgrade, you're not going to be able to make commissions from those income streams, if that makes sense. So I would say it's kind of middle of the road for me. It really depends on who you are and your experience level and how much money you're willing to spend. Because if you're willing to spend a lot of money, then you kind of have to get all of the income streams. If you only have a little bit, then you're only going to really be able to market the front end system right here, or maybe just one or two of the income streams inside of the income stream setup section. Okay, and that's my review of multiple income funnel. You can check it out if you want. You probably got an invite somewhere. You can't go directly, unfortunately, but you can go directly through an affiliate member. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online. I've reviewed all sorts of different strategies and programs and courses, some of them good, some of them so-so, a lot of them though big waste of time. If you would like to find out my favorite strategy though, out of all of the good strategies, I think it's the best way for a beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month online. If you would like to check it out for free, I've got a free masterclass. Click the link below and it'll show you how to do this step by step. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of multiple income funnel. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.